So I'm going to show you how to make the best air fryer frozen hash browns. I'm using Trader Joe hash brown patties, but you could use whatever you prefer. It's pretty much the same cooking method for each. We want to make sure that our frozen hash browns have a nice space around them. I could fit up to 6 in here, but I'm only making 4 for my family of 4. We're going to set our air fryer to 380 degrees Fahrenheit, and then we're going to cook for a total of 10 minutes. And then I'm going to flip them at the halfway mark. Now, once the 5 minutes are up, I'm gonna pull it out and then flip those hash browns. Now, if you wanted, you could also do 5 minutes and then add another 5 minutes, but I find it's just easy to set a 5-minute timer and then flip them once they're ready. These are super hot, so you wanna be careful when you're flipping them. If you're sensitive to hot items like this, try using some silicone tongs or even some bamboo ones. My fingers are kind of used to the heat cooking so many years now, so we're just going to place that back in and cook it for another 5 minutes, so 10 minutes total, 5 minutes per side. Now, if you like your hash browns extra crispy, you can do 6 to 7 minutes per side. My husband and my daughter absolutely love crispy hash browns, whereas me and my son like them a little bit less crispy. So this is perfect for us, and I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Thank you so much for watching.